ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi nílé lóko lájò níbikíbi tí ẹ bá wà, ẹ̀yin màmá, ẹ̀yin bàbá, ẹ̀yin ẹ̀gbọ́n, ẹ̀yin àbúrò, lọ́kùnrin lóbìnrin lọ́mọdé lágbà, Abdulateef Adédìméjì Adétọ́lá lórúkọ mi. Bí gbogbo yín ṣe mọ̀, òṣèré orí ìtàgé ni mí, mi ò níṣẹ́ méjì o. Mo fẹ́ sọ fún yín wípé tẹ́ ẹ bá fẹ́ mọ̀ nípa àwa òṣèré orí ìtàgé, tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ mọ̀ nípa nǹkan tá à ń ṣe tó jẹ́ reality tí ò sí ká figbá kan bọ̀kan nínú ń bẹ̀, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ máa bá mi wo Bísí Ológe Show. Ó mọ bó ṣe ń mú wa, ẹ máa wo Bísí Ológe Show.
changed the face of how we do things. He thinks that this is insane. What is going on? And he wants to change things. I made effort to. If I want to, if it's about money, I will stay in Canada. I'm a Canadian. I have my dual nationality. I have my passport. And I can stay in Canada and not come here. But I decided to come here because I want a better nation for the black race, not only Nigeria. Because if Nigeria is better, the black race is better. And that's why, do you know what I did? I punished myself. To make a what? To make a difference. And why did I punish myself? I said, you know what? I will stand out. If we have three types of government. Monarchical government, military government, and then the politics through the politicians of democracy. We can only choose one of the three. Military can win, we don't want that. That has failed. Okay, now the politicians who have no rope, no checks and balances, they have sent most of our children to another slavery. Forced slavery. People are now, this is not about they want to sell you. People are now running away. So we better go back now and say we should include our traditional rulers. So I see a dream, a great dream. And that dream is for kings to do it right now. Check themselves to balance the equation. Let Nigeria see them as good leaders, good kings. And then our people, our subjects, our wards, then they will say, you know what? Let's include all these traditional rulers in the scheme of things because we are responsible. We are closer to the grassroots than anybody. And then we can all do it together. There will be checks and balances. If a king is caught one thing, guideline ti máa wà ìwọ ọba tó bá bàdó ẹ̀jẹ̀ ẹlẹ́kọ̀ọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ìwọ ọba tó bá fẹ́ jalè ẹlẹ́kọ̀ọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. So kí ni mo ṣe for the past 7 years? I didn't take nothing from my people. I didn't take nothing. It's not easy to do. I have never taken a dime. So to be an example, the future of kingship in Nigeria must be kingship that we see with honesty, trust, and dependability. People can depend. And that's when they will fall back to us. And because there are many people that won't like to go into politics. And when they don't like to go into politics, who will be the helper of the helpless? And this is what this book is all about, that we should prepare a future where we see kings and politics going together. Let's grow our own democracy. We must grow our own democracy. This democracy of a thing we took from the white man is not our own kind of democracy. Everybody grows their democracy. Thailand grows its democracy. You see the kind of democracy they use in Thailand. It's through the king too. There are many other places. China, they have their own democracy too. Many people have their own democracy. Our own democracy has never changed since we took it from them. Even the father of democracy today is using monarchy, the United Kingdom. They are in the scheme of things. So there's a lot to learn from this book, and that's why I brought it out. I haven't spoken today. You are the only party launching the book and everything. But you are the one to actually hear from me. Thank you very much for listening. Your precious time. I want to thank everybody that came to Google. People want rushing down. Etsunope came from Niger. LMA Apollo's Chu came all the way from Port Harcourt. There are many came from Canada. My friends from Canada, friends from America, everybody. Honorable Shina Pella, by the grace of God, I will be calling him a senator. By June. Because why am I saying he meant well? He is a man that meant well. He is a man that wants changes, better changes. He is a man that doesn't want us to be enslaved together. And I thank you for coming. Mr. White, Aholu of Kweme. Thank you, Oba Kweme. Thank you very much for coming. Prince Shiji. Mama, Anonymous, Mama,
Vanessa is represented by his white captives. The value of presence, and we celebrate you.